Hi, I'm Gary. I make the videos for the AI Neural Noob Network. If you're new to making videos, then you've come to the right place. If you've been following the tutorials, then you already know where to get AI-generated music and AI-generated graphics. That's pretty much all you need to know in order to start making videos. We're going to check out the Kaiber AI tool, which lets any newcomer create amazing videos.
This is the Kaiber website. There's a good amount of information on this page. It has links to galleries, if you want to see what other people have made. It also mentions the different ways you can make the videos by using either audio reactivity, transform, or giving it an image or text to start off with. If you scroll to the bottom, you can enter your email to try it for free, which will bring up a screen asking if you want to start your 7-day free trial, or if you want to subscribe. As far as pricing goes, it's on a tiered system, with the cheapest being $5 a month for 60 credits. If you do the Pro plan, they charge you $120 annually, but give you 12,000 credits up front. And if you've got deep enough pockets, you can do the Artist plan, which is $300 a year, but they will give you 33,333 credits up front. Now, if you want to test the waters first, you can do the monthly plan, which is $15 a month for Pro for 1,000 credits, and $30 a month for Artists for 2,500 credits. Another cool thing is that you can always just buy more credit packs if you run out. Now that we've got pricing out of the way, let's get down to business and make some videos. Hit that Create Video button on the top right, and you'll be presented with a few options on how you want to start your video. You can either just enter some text, upload an image, upload a video, or upload an MP3 file to have the video move along with your music. Personally, I like to start my videos off with an image because there's no telling what kind of videos and images it will create on its own. If you don't have a text-to-image generator, you can use some of the free ones like Leonardo AI, Blue Willow, or DALL-E. We're going to upload our own image and music file and see what we get. So there are two things here you should take note of that actually cost me a whole bunch of credits. The first thing is to check the aspect ratio of whatever image you are uploading, because you can't change it later. If you upload an image of a square image, your video will be a square image. The second thing is, if you are uploading a song, make sure you know how long that song is, because each second of that song will cost 1 credit. There is a trim audio feature right here if you don't want to use the whole song. If you didn't upload a photo, you would describe what you want to create a video of here in that first box. Now, since I uploaded an image, Kaiber actually tries to guess what that image is of, and starts that prompt for you. Kaiber guessed that the image was of a woman with long black hair standing in front of a bed with pillows and a hat on top of it. That's pretty close. I'm just going to change that last part to falling asleep. Once you hit the video settings button, you'll choose what camera movement you want in the video. Then you'll choose the Evolve setting, which determines how wild and crazy you want the video to be. And since we uploaded music, we also get to choose how reactive the video will be to your song. Once you're done with that, select Preview Frames. At this point, all you have to do is select which keyframe you want and hit Create Video. You also have the option to use the storyboard and continue your video with another scene. If you choose to do another scene, you will go back to the first screen where you are prompted to enter what you want to create a video of, and you can start the process all over again. The only difference is this time, you have to pick what time frame you want the next part of your video to begin. For this second scene, I'm going to make it about a woman singing and dancing on stage at a concert. I'm not sure what the limit is on how many storyboard scenes you can add, but the most I did was about 5 or 6. I'm going to add one more storyboard scene where the woman wakes up in her bed. All done. Let's see how it turned out. It does look like I should have allotted more time for the third scene though, since it doesn't really show her waking up in bed from a dream. It takes practice getting the timing down when the scenes are moving to the beat of the music. For our next video, we're going to use the transform an existing video option. Now remember, each second costs 5 credits. For this, we're just going to combine these two videos together, since it kind of matches our prompts from the first video, which were about a woman in bed falling asleep, then singing and dancing on stage, and then waking up. We're going to use the same 3 prompts that we did in the first video, and the same music just to compare. Alright, let's check out the video. So of course it looks more fluid when doing video to video, but there were a lot of weird things happening, like hands popping out of her elbows. I prefer to have more control over the video, so instead of using the storyboard mode, I'm going to make each scene separately. I'm going to take these 7 photos I created using Mid-Journey, turn each one of them into videos, add some sound effects, add some HeyGen animation at the end, and then we'll add the music last. Let's check out our final video. You've got all the tools to make your own music video now. Let me know how that goes. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to see more tutorials on AI tools like this one. I'll catch you next time.